Hey guys, this is Mr. R here. I'm going to show you one of the ways that we are going to be turning in some assignments. It's called SchoolNet right here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get onto SchoolNet, and we'll use SchoolNet for some of our math, some of our reading, some of our science, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. SchoolNet is going to be one of those things that is not linked for you, and I'm going to show you how to get there. So to get to SchoolNet, you'll go to my.ncedcloud.org. You're going to sign in just like you would for iReady. Right here, you'll type in your username, and that should be on that page I gave you at orientation, and it's all numbers. Once you click Go, it'll take you to this page and ask you for your password. Everybody's password is Surrey 2020. Make sure you capitalize this S. And then you'll click Go. Then a page similar to this one will pull up. You will not have nearly as many icons on here. And you'll see there's the C for iReady, but for SchoolNet, you'll click on this red button with the house. Once you click this icon, a page that looks like this will come up. And it'll say welcome, and your name will probably be somewhere right here. Then there's a box that says take a test. Click inside that box, and that's where you will type in the code. And I'm going to go back to the Haiku page for a second. So here where it says SchoolNet code, I put fake. So anytime we have something on SchoolNet, I'll set it up on here and I'll just say SchoolNet code, and there's the code. It does not matter if you use capital letters or lowercase when you type it in, but I'm going to show you the code in capital letters so that you can tell the difference between letters and numbers. But again, it does not matter if you type in capital or lowercase. Once you type in fake for this fake little test, also everything is going to say that it is a test. Not all of these are tests. That's just what it defaults to. You'll type in fake, click go, and then the screen won't really change, and there will be a button that says open test or start test. When you click that, something like this will pop up. And you can see here it says fake test for first week, start test now. Right here, I'll need you to pause. Make sure that you click this button to maximize your screen. If you leave it, even though this is still pretty much the whole screen, if you don't maximize it, you may not see the button to click next or finish. So I'll click start. I'm over here. If you get read aloud for your stuff, you'll still get read aloud here. So you can press play and it'll read it to you, and you've got your tools. So it says, what grade level are you in? This is multiple choice. You click. Up here's how you go to your next question. So on SchoolNet, you'll see multiple choice questions. You'll also have questions that will ask you to type. Use a complete sentence to tell me your favorite color. My favorite color is blue. And I'll hit next to go to the next question. Here it says use the grid to type the number 12. The grid did not pop up. That's okay. The questions you'll see, you'll have questions that are multiple choice. You'll have questions to type words. And this question is to type numbers. Once you type that in, there will be an option on your screen to submit. You can hit review and turn it in that way as well. And once you click finish, then it will turn it into me. And that's how you use SchoolNet.